Everyone. My name is Andre Andino Marupsan. I am an IT student from Notre Dame University, and our activity is about redesigning the NDU elements. In today's video, I'm going today, as what you can see on your screen right now, is the NDU elements index page. We see the site announcement, student orientation, student password recovery, and notification settings. It does not. It is the same one as the actual site ng NDLMS doon sa site announcement nila. No? So, the only thing nagbago dito is the whole design. In the old MDU LMS, we would only see plain white screen. So, much more likely binago ko yun. Mas binago ko yung mukha. Mas pinamukha ko pa sa mobile. And right here in the left side, no, you would see this. Ito yung nagpapa. This is a special thing for the index page. Ito na yung special thing for sa index page. Pati mas, most likely yun lang. And we will also see the NDU logo. So now let's move on to the login page. So I think this is the login page. I redesigned it. I did not much like the design of the login page ng NDU LMS. So much more likely doon masyado ako focus. It does not have special effects or functionalities sa username or password or that when remember username or that button that forgot your username or password does not have functionality because we're only using Figma now. And I don't have much time to prototype that. And the next, when we click login, we would go to the dashboard. So now in the dashboard, it is the same design. Ano, is that the same design? Kung ano yung sa loob ng dashboard is what yun lang makikita. Kung similar, parehas lang siya, nakikita mo sa ginawa kong dashboard ngayon. Ang pinagbago lang is the actual design. No, it is formal. Mas malinis siya tignan because we would see bars. No? Yan. And the next is when we click this subject, we will go directly to the uh, student page. The student page, it is formal again. Mas malinis siya tignan. I-compare mo siya sa actual NDU LMS design, no? Sa site. Mas formal itong tingnan ang ginawa ko kaysa dun sa isa. So, ito din sa my dashboard bar, it is very same din. So, binago ko lang talaga is design lang talaga binago sa lahat. So, pretty much that's all of what I did for redesigning the LMS. No? And thank you.